Just finished doing some rewiring on the Hellbird here. A lot of wiring. You can see rewiring up some turn signals here. Got my fuse boxes here. Got everything out right now. You'll see here. Just the switch. Boom, that turns on the front lights on the turn signals. Turns on the headlight here with the halo and the demon eye. And it also turns on daytime brake lights. And then if I hit the left turn signal, got the turn signal going. Back here as well, and hit the right turn signal. Get this one going. This is the size of the battery here. Let's see. Takes up that whole space. Got my 12-volt step-down converter in here. The foam in here so the battery's not getting impacted on the frame here. Let's use that to fill in the space here. Got a little foam between the 12-volt step-down converter and the battery, so this always is like a little bit warm whenever you're running your accessories. There, but there we go.